Welcome back, dear learners. Today in this session we will start learning how to write our next vowel oo and oo. But before that, let's revise our last four vowels that we learned writing in our last sessions. The first one is a. The second one is a. Very good. The third vowel, how do we write that? It is E. And fourth vowel that we learned in our last class is E. And how do we write that? Yes, we make E, then we add a curve. So these were the four vowels that we learned writing in our previous classes. And today we will learn how to write oo. It is very simple, as you can see. You just have to make this curve of a. One curve, half semicircle, and then other curve. And just cover it with a shirorekha or a sleeping line. It becomes oo. Now let's try writing once more. Half semicircle, then again another one, and cover it with a sleeping line. Very good. You want to try one more? One curve, another curve, and cover it with a sleeping line. Very good. And in the same way, oo is also similar to oo. And how do we write that? For writing oo, we need to make oo first and then we put a tail to it. Okay, let's try it once more. Make oo and then put a tail to it. Okay, do you want to write it once more? Let's write oo, 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 oo. So this way you can try practicing at home. Thank you.